Hi viewers, today we are diving into something truly remarkable, the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Off-Roader, a machine that is taking luxury and adventure to a whole new level. This isn't your ordinary limousine, and it's not just a rugged off-road beast either. It's a stunning combination of both, designed for those who want elegance, comfort, and unstoppable performance all in one package. The first thing you notice is its commanding presence. The exterior has been redesigned with bold, aggressive lines, a massive chrome grille, LED matrix headlights, and reinforced bumpers that make it look ready to conquer any terrain. The elevated stance, wide wheel arches, and premium alloy wheels, fitted with all-terrain tires, give it a tough, go-anywhere attitude. GMC has taken inspiration from its legendary off-road trucks and blended that DNA into this limo, creating something truly unique. But it's when you step inside that the magic really happens. The 2026 GMC Savana Limo is like entering a moving, five-star suite. Plush leather seating, ambient LED lighting, handcrafted wood trims, and state-of-the-art technology surround you. The limo offers multiple configurations, from executive business class layouts with foldable work tables to a full entertainment lounge with reclining massage seats, 8K OLED screens, and a premium surround sound system. Every inch screams sophistication while keeping passengers connected and comfortable on long journeys. Under the hood, the Savana Limo Off-Roader packs serious power. Equipped with GMC's advanced hybrid V8 system paired with electric torque assist, it delivers both efficiency and raw strength. With adaptive air suspension, intelligent all-wheel drive, and terrain management modes, it can glide smoothly through city streets or tackle mud, sand, and rocky paths without breaking a sweat. It's built for those who don't want to choose between luxury and adventure, because here you can have both. Safety and technology are at the forefront too. The 2026 model comes with autonomous driving assistance, 360-degree cameras, LiDAR-based terrain scanning, and advanced stability controls. Whether you're heading to a red carpet event or a remote mountain retreat, this limo ensures you arrive safely, comfortably, and in absolute style. The GMC Savana Limo Off-Roader is more than just a vehicle. It's a statement. It represents a lifestyle of limitless exploration paired with unmatched class. In 2026, GMC has redefined what a limousine can be, no longer confined to smooth city roads, but capable of venturing beyond, where luxury meets wilderness. For those who demand everything in one extraordinary package, the GMC Savana Limo truly is on another level. Every detail of the 2026 GMC Savana Limo Off-Roader has been engineered to impress. From the outside, its rugged stance tells the world that this is not just a limousine to be admired from afar, but a machine meant to be experienced in motion. Its reinforced skid plates, roof racks, and side steps aren't just for looks. They're functional features that allow this luxury beast to handle challenging trails and adventurous getaways without sacrificing its elegance. Step further into the cabin, and you realize this vehicle is a sanctuary on wheels. GMC has integrated smart glass technology in the wide tinted windows, giving passengers the choice between clear views of the surrounding landscape or total privacy at the touch of a button. The panoramic roof stretches across the limo's length, allowing natural light to pour in during the day and offering breathtaking stargazing views at night. It transforms road trips into unforgettable experiences where the journey itself becomes the destination. Connectivity is another arena where the Savana Limo shines. Equipped with next-generation satellite internet and 6G-enabled systems, passengers can stream, work, or even hold virtual meetings seamlessly, no matter where they are. A built-in AI concierge system learns your preferences, adjusting lighting, climate, and entertainment automatically to suit your mood. Whether it's a business executive heading to an important meeting or a family embarking on a luxury off-road adventure, the limo adapts perfectly to every lifestyle. Performance enthusiasts will appreciate the engineering finesse beneath